If you haven't already heard, at least 80% of being a successful trader is your psychology, your state of mind. If you get pissed off at your computer or a bad execution, you're going to trigger your fight or flight response. And I promise you're going to make bad decisions and fatal trading mistakes. And the last thing you want is having a computer-related issue trigger you. Okay, so here's a brief summary of what you need in terms of computer hardware to keep you ahead of the crowd. The bare minimum requirement in terms of a processor for trading would be the Intel Core i7 series. This includes the Intel Core i7-900 series and the new Intel Core i7-2600 series. In terms of RAM, the absolute bare minimum you need these days is 6 gigabytes, and I recommend more if you can afford it. Today's trading platforms with all their charting capabilities and custom indicators are becoming RAM hogs. For your operating system, as much as you may not want to hear this, Windows 7 64-bit is now the benchmark. If you are running on Windows XP, you are becoming a dinosaur. Do you realize that XP came out in 2001? 95% of people running XP and Vista are only running 32-bit editions, which means that their computer is only recognizing 3 gigabytes of RAM, even if you have more installed. And you're also going to have that slippage problem. For your primary internet connection, speed is very important. At the bare minimum, you want an internet connection of at least 5 megabits per second. The more, the better, period. If you are trying to connect at less than 2 megabits per second, your pipeline is not going to be able to handle all the streaming data in real time, and it's going to create a bottleneck. That's the last thing you want. Most internet providers these days offer 25 to as much as 100 megabits per second, so take advantage of these speeds. So in summary, I want you to really think about what kind of trading technology you invest in, because besides your brain, your trading computer is your most important tool. Having the best technology will give you a trading advantage.